Okay, welcome back guys. Now sorry for uploading this video very late. I had an issue with my channel, so it is why I'm trying to resolve it. Now to those that have not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's do a quick analysis on GBP USD for this week. So first we would start with the trend, and we can see the trend. This is clearly an uptrend move. So we would see this to be an higher highs, then this will be seen as a higher lows, a new higher highs here, higher lows this, a new highs and higher lows. This is a pullback. So of course, this week we are expecting more move that will actually take out this previous high. So a new highs needs to be formed on GBP USD. That means this previous highs will be taken out, and for the new highs needs to be formed, then GBP USD will go bullish. So we will be expecting more bullish move on GBP USD this week, and we can see the news being coming out on USD. You can see the CPI that came out last and every other news which did not come out fine. So we expect DXY or our USD index to drop. So once this thing drop, any other peers will be trading to USD should give us a bullish move. So expect a bullish move on GBP USD. You can also see it still trading above our 10 period simple moving average. So this is the level that I am watching out for. If we don't hit it this week, then in 2 weeks time we should be able to hit it. This is a level of 1.27456. I'll repeat again, 1.27456. So let us watch out for that level. We should be able to hit it this week. If not this week, then in 2 weeks time. This week and upper week, that means we have about 2 weeks for GBP USD to give us that bullish move to take out this move. So expect what we'll be expecting on GBP USD is a bullish move. So to hit this level, we need to make about 300 plus pips. So watch out for about 300 pips plus, for the on this GBP USD. Now let's see what this daily time frame is saying. So we can clearly see it. Price is still trading above the moving average. Here is actually a pullback level. So price is now giving us an higher highs and higher lows. So we are expecting this highs here, which is the previous highs. Then the previous highs, we need to take it out. So a new highs needs to be formed. Thereby, the new highs will take out this previous highs. So more bullish move is to come. You can take a look at it on this GBP, right? We saw it on Monday. We actually kind of open red. We open and close red with candlestick wick sticking at the top, which means price actually went bullish. Tuesday we closed bullish. Wednesday we also closed bullish. For Thursday we closed bullish. Even Friday we closed bullish. So I believe this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we expect more bullish move to be made and we take out these previous highs. So this week, right, this highs needs to be taken. So more bullish move is to come. Same thing with the forward time frame. You can see the forward time frame. This is still an uptrend move, so expect more impulse move. So let's see if this ice should be taken out. By the time this ice will be taken out, right, then this ice here, as you can see here, this ice will be taken. Once this ice is being taken, I believe a pullback will be made. Once the pullback is being made, then GBP USD will continue that its bullish move and continue to meet a new highs and hit the level we just talked about on our weekly time frame. So bullish move for this week on GBP USD.